Welcome back to Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Phantom is a self-custody wallet and browser extension designed specifically for the Solana ecosystem. This powerful tool allows you to easily manage your Solana and SPL tokens, interact with decentralized applications, dApps, and explore the vibrant world of Solana DeFi. By prioritizing self-custody, Phantom puts you in complete control of your private keys, ensuring that you, and you alone, have access to your digital assets. With its sleek and intuitive interface, Phantom streamlines the sometimes complex process of managing cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned DeFi veteran or just starting your journey into the world of digital finance, Phantom offers a user-friendly experience. Connecting to your favorite Solana dApps is seamless, allowing you to swiftly swap tokens, stake your assets, and participate in various DeFi protocols. Phantom's commitment to security is paramount. By utilizing robust encryption and security measures, the platform helps safeguard your funds from potential threats. Furthermore, the open-source nature of the project fosters transparency and allows for community contributions, enhancing the overall security and reliability of the wallet. Beyond its core functionality, Phantom offers a range of advanced features, including support for hardware wallets, enabling an extra layer of security for those seeking the highest level of protection. The platform also facilitates NFT management, allowing users to view, store, and even trade their digital collectibles seamlessly within the wallet. For those exploring the dynamic landscape of Solana, Phantom acts as an indispensable gateway. It simplifies the user experience, making it easier than ever to interact with the diverse array of dApps and opportunities available within the Solana ecosystem. So, if you're looking for a secure, intuitive, and feature-rich wallet for navigating the world of Solana, Phantom is definitely worth checking out. Head over to phantom.app to download the extension and start exploring today.